do want you to see how heavy the bloom is. This is just the edge, just right above the hives. If you look right behind it, all the way from here, we have got a bloom like no other. I don't know that I paid that much attention until I was a beekeeper, but we've got them everywhere. I got bees zooming all around me. I got several acres, and I mean acres of goldenrod, wing stem, ironweed, you name it. So I think we should be doing pretty good this year. And even the back fields over here by the pastures, if you can see way back here, I don't know if you can or not, way back there, there's quite a bit out there. But anyways, we're gonna take a peek-see and take a look in here and see what these supers are doing for some fall honey. Rod bloom is in full stride. Got a little Carniolan here working. We got a wasp right here working. You all can see it. A couple different types of wasps. Got an Italian bee back here working. They are going at it. We're looking at the cows. Just finished feeding the cows. Got one big piece of goldenrod right here. We're trying to get a little close-up of the bees. So this dark bee is a carny bee from my carny hive. Hives are just about 50, 60 yards away. So the goldenrod's in full bloom. You got two bees up here working, a carny and an Italian. There's about 4 or 5 honeybees on here, a couple wasps. They're all having a good time. They are enjoying nature. Check it out. So we'll see if we end up getting some nice goldenrod honey. Just thought I'd give you a good view. They are pretty neat little guys and gals. No, these are all girls. All the worker bees. The dark ones are carnies. The yellow, orangish colored ones are Italian bees. They like pasta. So it gives you a good look at them. But I hope you guys enjoy the sneak peek at the goldenrod bloom on ECP Farms. The honeybees are working it hard. Hey YouTube, it's ECP and we're out here at the farm, ECP Farms, and I tell you what, the fall bloom is in full charge. I don't know if you all can see it here. These bees are everywhere, in and out. They're bringing in nectar. I just checked the hives at the farm, at the house, the one swarm hive at the house. They've already got honey going into the supers. And I think we're probably going to see some honey in these supers too. So fingers crossed, we're going to see some good honey for the fall here on ECP Farm. So stay tuned, and maybe I'll get a little peek-see at the supers here as I open a couple of these hives up.